hippo, lion, bear, horse, sheep, bull, rhinoceros, dog, elephant. Now I will show you my animal. It's a cow. It's a moo. This is a lion. Alright. This is a cheetah. This is a hippo. This is a bear. This is horse. This is a sheep. This is a bull. This is a dog. Woof woof. This is a elephant. This is a rhino. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.